Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are well. Today we will learn the ayat number 14 and 15 of Surah Al-Baqarah. First of all, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. And if you want that your child learn Quran Majid with proper tajweed and Qiraat, then contact us on our WhatsApp number. So let's start. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وإذا لقوا الذين Dhal pronounced softly, it pronounced from the tip of the tongue touching the inner edges of the top two front teeth. لقوا الذين Qaf pronounced boldly because it has a green color. Amanu stretch the alif because alif have standing fatha sign. Qalu Qaf has green color so bold it and lu. There is a mud on waw so stretch it up to 3 alif. Amanna do gunna on noon because it has a tashdid. وَإِذَا خَلَوْا إِلَى شَيَاطِينِهِمْ Dhal pronounced softly, Kha pronounced from the top part of the throat. Ila stretch the lam because it has standing fatha sign. Shayatinihim stretch the ya and ta. Ta pronounced from the tip of the tongue touching the roots of the top two front teeth. Shayatinihim قالوا إنا معكم قالوا stretch the qalu and inna do gunna on pink color معكم ain. A sound of a ain is a pronounce a from the middle part of throat. إنما نحن مستهزئون Seen pronounced like a whistle sound and ha this one ha pronounced from the bottom part of the throat. Allahu yastahzi'u bihim. Allahu. Bold Allah because alif has fatha sign. Allahu yastahzi'u bihim. Seen pronounced like a whistle sound. Ha pronounced from the bottom part of the throat. Bihim. This one ha also pronounced from the bottom part of throat. وَيَمُدُّهُمْ فِي طُغْيَانِهِمْ يَعْمَهُونَ So this lesson is enough. Allah Hafiz.